Hi, here's a very quick look at a new feature we've introduced, which is the ability to view and mark up drawings inline, and that's PDF files inline within Collabor8 online version 2. If you have this feature enabled, you'll have a palette icon next to any PDF files you have on your system, and if you click on any of these files now, rather than download them as previously, the system will actually open them inline and you can navigate around this PDF online. I'm just using the mouse to scroll around here, or you can skip through to the next drawing in the sequence in this fashion, just using these forwards and back arrows above. If you wish to navigate quicker, you can navigate through the entire file list is shown at the bottom of the pane here. Again, I'll just go forward to the next drawing and you can see that I've started to add a little bit of annotation onto this document. You can zoom in. Using these highlight tools, you can see here we've used a shading icon plus an arrow icon here. I'm going to use the cloud icon here to just draw a shape around here, add my request for information or annotate as I wish. I can also use the palette icon to change the color of my annotation. And finally, the other option I have in there is a measuring tool. So perhaps if I skip on to a different drawing, let's look at this one, zoom in again, and I'm just going to use this tool to highlight a dimension and ask for information, whatever. One interesting feature that we also have is if I navigate back to my slightly busier drawing, by clicking on the plus sign here we can see a history of all of the notes of annotations, who made them and when they were made, and by clicking here we can open the notification feature, which is the same feature as you have in the rest of Collabor8 Online, and start to add notification emails to people who may be involved in your project. You can distribute that email to any of the users on your system, any of the people who have permission to view that folder, and they can in turn reply to that message, and that will be threaded back into the conversation exactly as with the regular comments in Collabor8 Online. So there you have a very quick look at the new inline viewer and markup features within Collabor8 Online.